Following your creative passion is a wild ride. Sometimes it can feel like you're riding a bull. One minute you're painting landscapes, and the next you're painting Barbie doll aisles. Today I'm doing a study of a Barbie doll by herself. Truly, she's an off brand dollar store mermaid, but the point still stands. And the weird thing is, while creatively this kind of checks all my boxes right now, I keep in my quiet moments feeling this weird uncertainty, feeling like this narrative about playing with Barbie dolls creeping back up almost 20 years after I stopped playing with them the first time. And I think that's kind of crazy because realistically, toys are a wonderful barometer in measuring what we teach to children and learning about our culture. I think toys tell us what we teach children to aspire to and narratives and tropes that they'll end up wrestling with as adults. So here's to never being too old to play with Barbies.